Hello friends, I'm your host Tanvi Agarwal and you're watching our channel Techie Twins. Today, we came up with a complete understanding of a software development lifecycle model named as Waterfall Model. Guys, first we'll talk about what the Waterfall Model is. Waterfall Model is the first process model to be introduced. It is very simple to use and understand. It is also known as linear sequential life cycle model. In waterfall model, each phase must be completed fully before the next phase begins. It is a type of software development life cycle model which is used for projects which are small and there are no certain requirements. At the end of each phase, review takes to determine if project is on the right path in whether or not to continue or discard. Testing only starts after the development is completed. Waterfall model consists of 6 phases. First one is requirement analysis. In this phase, the requirement is gathered from the clients and all the brainstorming and walkthrough is done for proper analysis and understanding of requirements. And as a result, a document, SRS, software requirement specification of all the requirements gathered is prepared. The second phase is system design. In this phase, SRS created from first phase are studied and system design is prepared. This system design helps in specifying the hardware and system requirements and also helps in defining the overall system architecture. And as a result, designs are documented. Let's come to the third phase. It's the implementation phase. In this phase, as per the design documented, the program or the code is created. The system is first developed in small programs called units. Each unit is integrated in next phase. Each unit is developed and tested for its functionality, which is referred as unit testing. Now comes the fourth phase, integration and testing. All the units developed in implementation phase are integrated into a system after testing of each unit. And post-integration, system testing is performed for any faults and failures. All the testing is performed, whether it's functional or non-functional, to make sure system meets the requirements. The progress of testing has been tracked through testing tools like traceability matrix, ALM, etc. And as a result, test cases, test reports, defect reports are created. Now comes the fifth phase, system deployment. Once the functional and non-functional testing is done, the product is deployed in the customer environment or released into the market. Before the product is deployed, testing team makes sure that no 7 defects are open and all the test exit criteria are met. After the product is deployed, a sanity check in the environment is done to make sure the application does not break. Now comes the last system maintenance phase. In this phase, the issues which come up in the client environment are fixed and patches are created. And also, then patches are released into the environment. In this phase, to enhance the product, some better versions are also released. Maintenance is done to deliver these changes in customer environment. Now we'll talk about the pros and cons of the waterfall model. Let's start with the pros first. Waterfall model is simple to use and easy to understand. It is easy to manage due to rigidity of the model. Each phase has its deliverables and review process. Phases are processed and completed one at a time. Phases do not overlap. It works well for smaller projects where requirements are very well understood. The entry and exit criteria are well defined, so it is easy and systematic to proceed with quality. Now, let's talk about the cons of waterfall model. Waterfall model cannot adopt the changes in requirements as it becomes very difficult to move back to the phase. Point number 2 is delivery of the final product is late as there is no prototype which is demonstrated intermediately. For bigger and complex projects, this model is not good as risk factor is very much high. Since testing is done at a later stage, it does not allow identifying the challenges and risks in earlier phase. And resolving defects at later stage involves high cost. Last point is it is not suitable for projects where requirements are frequently changing. Thank you guys. If you like our video, please like us, share us, and please subscribe us. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.